The goal of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is to make it the thinnest and lightest Ultra flagship on the market with a built-in fingerprint sensor. Thanks to the most recent leaks, which were provided directly from Samsung, we may have an idea of how Samsung will be accomplishing some things. I want to share with you something you won't want to miss before we get into the specifics. The vice president of Samsung's mobile experience team, Mr. Daniel Araujo, recently discussed the 2025 flagships, also known as the S25 Series, and the first thing he said is that they're making the top-of-the-line display for the S25 Series, followed by some solid camera upgrades, and then the best mobile application processor, which is going to be Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, in order to provide the best, most premium experience along with state-of-the-art AI performance. Therefore, the top-of-the-line display was the first thing he said, and in light of the most recent information, we may now have an idea of what Samsung is really cooking. The most crucial thing that might truly entirely alter the game is the power efficiency of OLED displays, according to Mr. Lee Chong, the head of Samsung Display. In the future, Samsung's OLED display will make use of AI. It seems that Samsung has always had this plan in mind, which explains why they don't put larger batteries on their Ultra flagships or even foldable phones. With AI, the company claims to be able to cut the power consumption of an OLED display by an astounding 50%. As a result, Samsung claims that a flagship phone won't need to be charged in a 24-hour period. The 5000 mAh per kL on the S25 Ultra is still available for a purpose, and the vice president's reference to the secret top-of-the-line display may really refer to this new, very power-efficient AI OLED panel. Based on an early tip from South Korean media, it seems that Samsung is taking the S25 series very seriously and is planning to include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU in every model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.